myself Dr. Karpsamy, Professor and Head, Department of Mechanical Engineering of Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, Coimbatore. I am very much happy to highlight about our department. The department was established in the year 1994 along with the institution. Department is known for its strong academic foundation, cutting-edge research and industry consultancy works besides students' academic pursuits. The students are supported to gain their domain knowledge and professional skills through continuous improvement in the infrastructure and faculty development initiatives. Bundle of technologies, otherwise known as disruptive technologies, for example AI and data science, embracing everywhere, every field in the world, so happening in the mechanical engineering domain also. The department has well prepared to offer these courses to our students to make them industry ready.
Good day to you all. We are in Aluminum Recycling Center. The center is established through DST under AMT scheme, WMT scheme. We have got projects from Ministry of Mines for undiluted recycling, gross recycling, etc. Currently, we have got a project on AI for foundry tools. Basically, we work on zero-based policy. We are converting aluminum to dross and from dross to recovery of materials.
I am Dr. N. Gunashekhar. I joined the institution in the year 2017. I am looking after the placements. Our students have got placed in reputed companies like As far as higher studies is concerned, our students are pursuing higher studies. Other than placements, we are also supporting students for internship. Our students are undergoing internship in various companies.
Myself Raghu, I have joined in SREC in 2017. In 2023 August, we have received a funding from Aeronautical Research Development Board, Government of India, in jointly with Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, Bangalore. So we have developed indigenously the helicopter spare parts. Two parts we have developed out of it. One is the elbow part and the breather part. So through the cutting edge technology, we have developed this by the direct metal laser sintering method.
Hi, I am MS Balsantosh, associated with Mechanical Department since 2008. I am taking care of CAD lab. In our CAD lab, we are providing immense atmosphere with well-ventilated, spacious and high-performance computer systems and projector. This lab empowers students with advanced technologies in advanced modeling and simulation technologies with industry-leading softwares like Creo, ANSYS, SolidWorks and HyperWorks. Beyond academics, we collaborate with industry by providing professional industries consultancy service with Precall, L&T, Roots, etc.
This is a three-dimensional coordinate measuring machine. The name of the machine is Accurate Spectra 5.6.4. 5.6.4 is nothing but the table size, and this particular same machine is used to measure the geometrical dimensioning tolerances. The machine was purchased in the year of 2014. Since from 2014, we have conducted more number of consultancy works to the industries. Also, demonstrative classes conducted to the polytechnic students and the engineering students.
Somprasam. I am taking care of metallurgical laboratory since 2012. In this laboratory, we have inverted metallurgical microscope with image analysis software and heat treatment setups.
Institution of Engineers India student chapter in the department is very active. Every year we used to organize both intra and intercollegiate technical events for the betterment of student community in order to improve their communication and leadership qualities. And we have received around 2 lakh scholarship for the students mechanical engineering, and in addition to this we have received an award such as Best Student Chapter Award, Best Faculty Advisor Award, Best Projects Award from the Institution of Engineers India Student Chapter.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Satish Kumar. I am with SREC right from 2013. So I am the faculty advisor of SREC Student Chapter. SREC stands for Indian Society for Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers. The main objective of the SREC is to disseminate the technical knowledge in the field of HVAC and R for the professionals, especially for the student community. In SREC Student Chapter, we periodically organize workshops, seminars, guest lectures and technical quiz competition for the students. Our students have secured first position in chapter level aqueous quiz competition and second position in national level hackathon conducted by SREC. SREC, through its strong industry connect, it provides internship opportunities for our students, which the students may convert into a placement offer.
Society of Automotive Engineers Student Chapter is an appreciation of SAE India Southern Section. The Student Chapter was inaugurated in the year of 2010 in our institution. Through this Student Chapter, regularly we are organizing various automobile-related technical events such as workshop, hands-on training, symposium, and guest lectures.
I am Vijay Anand. I am from Tenkasi and I had joined in Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College for pursuing my higher studies. I had participated in many national level hackathons named Docking and Battery Swapping System conducted by the Aeronautical Society of India and the TechGM, which is a competition conducted by LTTS, Technology Services, etc. On my final year, I got promoted as a captain of Go-Kart Team Knights, where we had designed, fabricated and tested a 4-wheeled Formula 9 vehicle using the concepts that we had learned through our curriculum. In our Go-Kart team, we had participated in more than 10 national level events and had won more than 10 national awards in various national level events like Formula Kart Design Challenge, Formula Kart Racing Championship. Through the knowledge and experience that I had got through my college journey, I got placed in a worldwide oil field machine, which is an MNC company.
I am Hardeep, captain of Team Pegasus, an electric two-wheeler design team consisting of 10 members. We designed and fabricated an electric two-wheeler with a battery spec of 48 volts and 24 amps propelled by a 1000 watts BLDC hub motor attaining the maximum speed of 40 km per hour. We participated in a national level electric two-wheeler design competition conducted by SAE India Southern Section, competing against 38 teams all over India and secured first in special awards.
Hi, I am Santosh, captain of this team. We Team Phoenix Racing found in 2012 with an aim to become one of the overall champions. As a team, we designed, fabricate and testing our off-road bike to compete in a national competition. Baga SA in the year 2022, our senior 5-member got placement opportunities in the Mahindra and Mahindra and one of them was the And in the event side, during the endurance race, our buggy Veera has secured the fastest vehicle on the track with a cash prize amount of 1 lakh. And during the 2023 Baga SA India 2023, our senior Ajis from name got placement opportunities in the Renault Nissan.
tirelessly. Being a part of this department is an incredible opportunity in not only in academically, also in improving my professional growth. My biggest achievements are representing India in international stages, Austria and Nepal. I have a bronze medal in 7th WCF Karate Championship in Austria and a silver medal in 8th AGF Karate Championship Nepal and 3-time national medalist. But none of this would have been happened with the immense support from the management and the department. I have nearly received 2 lakh sponsorship from the SREC management. I thank each and everyone for supporting me. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Shiva. So நான் தேர்ட் இயர் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா எனக்கு டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டில் வந்துட்டு என்னோட ஸ்பெஷலைசேஷன் ஆஃபர் பண்ணாங்க. அந்த ஸ்பெஷலைசேஷன் நான் வந்துட்டு எடுத்த மெயின் ரீசன் வந்துட்டு கரண்ட் ட்ரெண்டில் இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ் அண்ட் மெஷின் லேர்னிங் ஸ்பெஷலைசேஷனை எடுத்தேன். ஸோ இந்த ஸ்பெஷலைசேஷன் எடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா நான் வந்துட்டு என்னோட இன்டர்ன்ஷிப்ஸ் அண்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸில் இந்த ஸ்பெஷலைசேஷன் நாலேஜ் வந்துட்டு நான் யூஸ் பண்ணேன். ஸோ அதில் வந்துட்டு நான் யூஸ் பண்ண ஒன் ஆஃப் த ப்ராஜெக்ட் இஸ் SREC predictable coding using CNN and YOLO. இது என்னோட ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் which won the Aerospace national hackathon and we won the second place. It's been like 1 lakh அதோட கேஷ் ப்ரைஸ். அண்ட் இப்போ கரண்டாக வந்துட்டு நான் என்னோட இன்டர்ன்ஷிப் வந்துட்டு டோஜில் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். இட் ஆல்சோ இன்க்ளூட்ஸ் டிசைன் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ வர்ச்சுவல் ரியாலிட்டி. ஸோ டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்லேருந்து எல்லா ரிசோர்ஸையும் யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு அவங்க கம்ப்ளீட் ஃப்ரீடம் கொடுக்குறாங்க அண்ட் ஆல்சோ சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ தட்ஸ் ஆஃப் மை path to success in SREC.
Hi, I'm Swati. நான் இந்த காலேஜுக்கு 7.5 ரிசர்வேஷன் கவுன்சிலிங் மூலமாக வந்தேன். இந்த காலேஜில் 7.5 ரிசர்வேஷன் மூலமாக எனக்கு என்ன பெனிஃபிட்டாக கிடைச்சதுன்னா நோ காலேஜ் ஃபீ, ஹாஸ்டல் ஃபீ, நோ எக்ஸாம் ஃபீ. நான் இந்த காலேஜுக்கு வந்த புதுசில் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸில் வந்து மேண்டட்ரி கோர்ஸாக தான் போட்டேன். ஆனால் இப்போ வந்து நிறைய அச்சீவ்மெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் வாங்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். நான் வந்து செஸ்லேயும் பால் பேட்மிண்டன்லேயும் டீம் மெம்பராக இருக்கேன். பேஸ்ட் ஆன் அகடமிக் பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் வச்சு எங்களுக்கு டோஜோ இன்டர்ன்ஷிப் வாங்கி தந்தாங்க. இதில் வந்து நாங்கள் பிளெண்டர் சாஃப்ட்வேர் வந்து லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கிட்டோம். ஃபியூஷன் 360 அந்த ஒர்க் ஷாப்பும் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணாங்க. அதுலேயும் நிறைய நாலேஜ் கெயின் பண்ணிக்கிட்டோம். அடுத்து இந்த காலேஜ் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் தான் NPTEL கோர்ஸ்னால என்னென்னு தெரிஞ்சுது. நான் அதை வந்து 2 கோர்சஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இப்போ வந்து தேர்டாக வந்து பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
Hello everyone, I'm Mukesh. Right from the moment my college life started, SREC has granted me a set of skills which enhanced my life. One of the remarkable skills I have learned is designing, which enabled me to participate in Smart India Hackathon 2024, which opened doors to collaborate with young minds and gave me an opportunity to present my project in a nodal level. Additionally, my department has supported me with the financial aid, which lifted a great deal of pressure on me, which helped me to focus on my career. Currently, I'm working as a project intern in LG, which is a renowned manufacturing company of air compressors. This internship has exposed me to industrial level skill sets, which was provided by my department.
Hi everyone, I'm Rashmita, who is very much passionate about automobiles. Through my college, I got an opportunity for being a go-kart team member, which is a 4-wheel Formula 9 car, from which I gained knowledge about combustion vehicles and its design. I have also participated in various competitions and made some achievements in both inter as well as intra-college events and hackathons like SAH conducted by AICTE and recently TN-based Women's Hackathon conducted by TANCAM. Also I have to mention that my department and my college was supportive and encouraged us to perform well in all those competitions. Apart from this, I am also an NSS club member who was involved in various volunteering services.